What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a Mother's Mills and makeup lover, of course. So I'm starting out today's video a little bit differently. So I am going to be doing like a sad clown look today. So I wanted to do things a little bit differently because I didn't want to like ruin the vibes. I really want you guys to see how everything comes together at the end of the video. So I'm going to do my intro now. I am going to be blocking out my eyebrows, so that is why they look super duper shiny. I'm not a pro at this, okay? But I've been practicing. Like, I practiced all night before today to have semi-decent block brows. So, yeah. I'm going to be doing the full vibe with you guys today besides actually blocking my brows. I'm not professional. I literally Googled it. We'll see how it turns out, but after I block my brows out and I look really fucking crazy, we could come back and we could like jump into the tutorial portion of it. But I am going for like a sad clown. So those are the vibes today, Halloween makeup. So if you're curious to see the look that I achieved and the products that I used to do it, then definitely keep on watching. I know. I know. Trust me, I know. I feel like you could still see some of the darkness in my brows, but I have like black hair. So I did as best as I could. Alright. So first things first is going to be eyebrows. I'm going to be doing this look right here. I should have showed that earlier. Anyways. I'm going to be using the Carnival All Stars palette. It's going to have all the nice cloudy shades. And then for my brows, I'm going to be taking the P.Louise paint in the shade Golden Treasure. Always got to start with the brows. You know what I mean? So, I'm actually just going to take a small little angled brush. And we're just going to go for it. You can't see it. Okay, that's enough of that. Alright, next. So I did prime my lids, and I also set them because I wanted to make sure that I wasn't messing up any of the product between my block brows and my eyelids. So I just used the e.l.f. concealer to block my brows out. So then I dragged it down to my lids, and then I set with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation for extra coverage on my brows. So I'm thinking that I'll do my eyes first. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Blackberry and Wasted mixed together. So the first step, so I'm kind of doing like a colorful smoky eye. Excuse me. So I'm going to start not all the way in my inner corner. So just like a little dot away. I'm going to go oval shaped. So instead of following my natural round crease, I'm going to go up higher, but not too high. So kind of just like that. And then I'll hook it from my outer corner. Right here. Like that. I look fucking wild. Not my fake brow either, my real brow. Okay, can't take myself seriously. Next, I'm going to be taking the hot pink shade, which is called Funky. And I'm going to make sure that I'm following this exact same shape. And I think I'm going to do around my brow. I don't want it to like, I don't think it'll lift, but I don't know. So I'm going to make sure that I'm kind of pat blending over like the brow hairs because I don't want to mess up my nice little black brows. And I'm just going to lay all the colors down first and then blend from there. And then next I'm taking the orange shade Lit. And I'm just keeping that same shape. Gonna kind of do a little packing on the brows. Do you guys remember, I don't know if everybody used to do this, but in elementary school, my teachers had us do the thing where you write your name and then you go around it with the colors and you just keep tracing your name out and it's like a rainbow. This is giving that vibe. So I'm going to go in with some yellow, but before I do that, I want to fix up this blend a little bit. Because I really lost that pink shade. I want to bring it back. And then I'm going to take a fluffy Wet n Wild brush with the shade Keen, which is the yellow. And I'll complete the blend. Then I'm just going to kind of keep going through those colors until I'm happy with the saturation. I really want these to be super loud and vibrant, you know? Alright, so this is what it looks like all blended together, honestly. Not bad. Not bad. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Sky, which is this beautiful blue, sky blue. I'm going to take it on another fluffy Wet n Wild brush. And I'm going to start blending under the purple. Honestly, just going to pack it down first. Just like this. And then I'll take the shade Reef, same brush, right in the center. Next, I wanted to try out for the first time the Unearthly Cosmetics Glimmer Grasp. This is their, like NYX glitter glue. Oh, glitter glue. There you go. I'm going to be taking the shade Mermaze from Peaches and Cream. What I'm going to do... Oh, interesting tube. I like that. I'm going to take just a dot. I'll take it on my finger. I'm going to pat it around the blue. And then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. And pat over this. Whoa. Okay, Unearthly Cosmetic coming through with the pop. I'm crazy. So now we're going to move on to face. So I picked my brightest, whitest products to do this with. So starting off with the Uoma Beauty Flawless in Real Life Foundation. This is in the shade White Pearl. We all know that this is fucking pale. So it's going to be perfect for what we're doing today. If I need to touch up my brows, I can do that too. We're just going to leave it like that for now. I'm going to do just a little bit of cream contour, nothing too crazy because I do want to still be pale. But I'm just going to warm up this area a little bit lower than I usually would on my cheeks. My husband's sister just texted me and asked if I could take her to work in 20 minutes. I was like, no, I cannot do that. Sorry. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fairest, which is a very pale white. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and become even more white. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty sugar cookie setting powder because it's literally white. So hopefully that'll keep this nice and bright. I'm going to use this big Tati Beauty poof. I'm going to take the Made by Mitchell Blursh in the shade Cowlick and Mango Daiquiri. I'll start with Cowlick. No, I'll start with Mango Daiquiri. I'm going to do 2 big globs right in the middle of my cheek. I look like a parakeet. What are those birds with the big yellow cheeks? And I'll take this one and a smaller round brush. And then I'm going to take whatever's left of the pink. I'll add some more, just a little bit more. Doop, right to the tip of my nose. So I do have this yellow liquid liner, which I think I'm going to do to kind of reinforce the brows a little bit, because I still feel like I have no brows on, and, you know, it's not a vibe. Okay, so I'm going to take this very long liner brush. And okay, freehanded liner brows. I think that was a good choice to go in with this bright neon yellow. I'm going to take a little bit of highlighter on my nose. Alright, and then so I'm going to draw tears. Let me look at the picture of them. These are the vibes. I think that it looks really cool. Let me get closer. Doesn't that look so cool? You can definitely see the brows up close, but here is the completed look. We are a clown. We are giving sad girl vibes. I went in with these contacts from My Secret Vision Boutique, and then the Beauty Creation lashes in the style Bad Habit. These are some of the biggest pairs that I have, which I thought was perfect because they're really just kind of bringing the vibe together. And then for my lip, it was a combo, okay? Let me see. Nobody's ever going to want to see this combo, but I went in with purple lip liner. Like, if you're trying to recreate this, I went with purple lip liner. And then I went in with this under the liquid lipstick, the purple one, shade Angelina, and then the shade Ginger to kind of make it kind of pinky, and then a peachy gloss right on top. And I think that really makes this, I think this look very much looks like the picture, so I'm very, very proud of that. That I was actually able to recreate it pretty accurately. I feel like my complexion could be a little bit more pale, but I mean, I think it looks really good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Are we getting the sad clown vibes? I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead. Roll the clip.